Hello, this is part 2 of my family under the sociological microscope. My statuses in society include a student, daughter, granddaughter, and pet owner. I'm a junior in college at Youngstown State University. As a female student, I am more likely than a man to complete college. According to Cohen 2024, 45% of women complete a Bachelor of Arts degree or higher compared to 37% of men. Although I am more likely to complete my degree, I will still fall short in equal pay compared to a man. Women's earnings are just 83% of men's. In my workplace, I am an assistant and I am the lowest paid out of my team. This strengthens the data that women are paid less than men. As a student, my role includes completing assignments and studying. As a daughter, my role includes providing support to the family as well as showing respect and care. Growing up, I was responsible for classic female duties such as completing chores and cooking. This aligns with Cohen's concept of doing gender. Similarly, my role as a granddaughter includes family responsibilities like mental health check-ins and planning family meals together, although we all live separately. Additionally, I am a pet owner to 4 cats, Arlo, Oscar, Bagheera, and Jack. And as their owner, I am responsible for feeding and caring for them, as well as all of their veterinary care and costs. My workplace roles include fielding complaints, drafting leases, and managing accounts payable and accounts receivable. My family of orientation includes my paternal grandparents, Sandra and Jean, my mother Renee, my father Morgan, and my siblings Levi and Destiny, as well as my maternal grandparents, Cynthia and Dale.